Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best fence paint sprayer in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is HomeRight Finish Max Paint Sprayer. This is the best stain sprayer for any DIY lover, hobbyist, or competent painter since it's faster than paint rollers and brushes. This paint sprayer comes with HVLP technology, which will pump your paint at high volumes and low pressure, even with a motor turbine. The fence stain sprayer is super lightweight, weighing only 2.76 pounds, and since it's lightweight with a compact design, it won't tire you even after using it for many hours. The electric spray gun has a nozzle and tips made of high-quality brass, offering different spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and round. It has an adjustable flow control knob that controls the paint flow, and the 450 watts of power delivers a smooth and flawless finish. It is easy to clean thanks to the cleaning brush, and it also comes with an air nozzle, viscosity cup, and user manual. Number 2. Our second best pick is Graco Magnum Paint Sprayer. This is the best choice if you want a high-end airless sprayer, as it's among the best. Although expensive, it makes a good addition to any homeowner thanks to its versatility. The amazing fence paint sprayer can handle any painting project you use for where the stainless steel pump sucks paint or stain and spits it out directly on the fence, furniture, chairs, and wooden objects. It is also ergonomic and has minimal clogs because of the reversible spray tip, and you can spray all types of materials without thinning them to get a fine finish. This paint sprayer allows you to control the paint flow even when you are a beginner, thanks to the stainless steel piston pump, which creates a high-pressure paint flow even on unthinned paint. However, it is one of the bulky airless sprayers that are difficult to move around, but it has a 75-foot-long hose that reaches the far fences. Number 3. Our third best pick is Wagner Spraytech Paint Sprayer. It has made a name for itself for making high-quality sprayers at affordable prices. For example, the fence paint sprayer comes with a cup that can hold about 48 ounces of paint, which covers about 130 feet from when it's full to when it gets empty. This sprays different liquids, including stains, paint, urethane, latex house paint, and sealants. It allows users to paint their living room after sealing the deck and includes an extra nozzle for finishing. The fence stain sprayer has 9 speeds of pressure, which allows you to find the best pressure you want without using steam or paint that is too strong or too weak. In addition, the Wagner Flexio 590 has horizontal and vertical spray patterns, which you can swap without turning the sprayer at 90 degrees. Lastly, it's also the Quietest paint sprayer, and if you want your process of painting a fence to be quiet, this is a worthy choice. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Titan Tool High Efficiency Airless Paint Sprayer. This paint sprayer is among the unique tools for painting a fence and is a top choice for a good reason. It has 4 different models, meaning you can choose the right one for your needs where 2 options have a cart, and 2 don't. Everyone loves this new paint sprayer since it's equipped with HEA technology and it also has 55% less overspray than the traditional airless sprayers. This means it will be easy to control its flow to guarantee you get the best finish possible. It allows you to spray paint on thin coatings and has a replaceable fluid section, meaning you can store the Titan Control Max as long as you like. This qualifies as the best option if you are shopping for a powerful yet easy-to-learn airless spray painter to add to your home, thanks to its high efficiency. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Fuji Mini-Mite 3 Spray System. This model is powered by a 3-stage platinum turbine motor with a 6 psi pressure output. The motor has a heat dissipation box that helps push away heat from the motor, protecting it from overheating or burning and extending its life. With the pressure, you can apply all types of coatings to give a smooth yet quality finish. You are guaranteed control of the fan-shaped paint pattern thanks to the pattern control knob, which is also non-bleed. Turning the knob clockwise makes larger oval patterns, while turning the knob counterclockwise makes smaller oval patterns, making a circular pattern. The HVLP spray gun is equipped, which reduces the noise the turbines produce and includes an air gap to ensure a smooth finish to your DIY projects. This paint spray gun will also ensure you enjoy seamless staining and spraying paint, thanks to the 25-inch long hose for easy mobility. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.